Start with painter's tape, and then you're going to put it underneath so that it'll keep from anything dripping and anything seeping to the bottom. I'm using Finish All Farmhouse. This has been a favorite of mine for several pieces so far. And I'm just going to coat it with white for the base before we get into like the part that's really important. There's a brush that they also sell. It's really a great brush. This is just a base coat that will be underneath the resin. It's not going to be a perfect base coat, and we're not going to do this 3 times because the resin and the colors are just going to be on top of it. Is going to blur this out. This is just because I want white on the bottom for any reason that the color might seep through, or on the white it'll have, instead of brown on the bottom, I don't want it to change the whiteness of the white with the black contrast below. But once the resin paint is poured on top, this all gets muted out anyways. I just want to make sure there's like a white at the bottom, like a fresh canvas. This table's a little bit wobbly. Like wax on, wax off. What's the Karate Kid movie? He was painting a house. He was told to wax on and wax off. So he would win the competition with that special move he did at the end. Almost done here. This table's a bit wobbly. And one more side. I'm not going to make sure that it's all white. It just, it's going to go from here. I want this to catch the resin when it's going to go drip, so it won't have a, so it won't interfere on the bottom and have like a drip marks. I'm gonna have to redo this here. It's starting to fall down. Uh-oh.